everyone, and welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share, meet up. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to look at suffixes on comparative form of adjectives. Suffixes on comparative form of adjectives. Obugambo bwetwogera kunakwongeza linnya mu comparative form. Okay, let's start. In comparative form of adjectives, suffix er is added to the adjective. In comparative form of adjectives, suffix er is added to the adjective. Wano ennukuta er eyongebwa kunakwongeza linnya. Wano ennukuta er eyongebwa kunakwongeza linnya. And remember, for further reference on suffixes, refer to the video above. On some words, more is used instead of adding er. On some words, more is used instead of adding er. Ku bigambo ebimu kisinga eyongebwa ku kigambo ewandibadde er. Ku bigambo ebimu, of course we are looking at adjectives. Ku bigambo ebimu oba kunakwongeza linnya ezimu kisinga eyongebwa ku kigambo ewandibadde er. Once again, ku bigambo ebimu kisinga eyongebwa ku kigambo ewandibadde er. And here note, er is added at the end of the word as we are going to see. So er tugiteeka ewasemba ku kigambo nga we tugenda okulaba. Example. On the adjective strong, to form comparative form, we say stronger. And remember, we said er is added at the end of the word. So strong changes to stronger. Er is added at the end, forming stronger. And this in Luganda is ekisinga amaanyi. Ekisinga amaanyi. So here we add e to form ekisinga in Luganda. Ekisinga amaanyi. Okay, another example. Big changes to bigger. Big changes to bigger. And here, since it follows the CVC order, we add double G, forming bigger. Er is placed at the end to form comparative form of the adjective. Ekisinga obunene in Luganda. Ekisinga obunene. Another example. Large changes to larger. Large changes to larger. Er at the end forming larger. And this in Luganda is ekisinga obugazi. Ekisinga obugazi. Young changes to younger. Young changes to younger. Er at the end. Ekisinga obuto. Ekisinga obuto. So there we were adding er to form the comparative form of the adjective. Okay, let's have some more examples where we use more. An example, expensive changes to more expensive. Expensive changes to more expensive. Ekisinga ebbeeyi. ekisinga ebbeeyi. Boring changes to more boring. Boring changes to more boring. Ekisinga okubowa. Ekisinga okubowa. Careful changes to more careful. So we add more before writing the adjective. More careful. Ekisinga obwegendereza. Ekisinga obwegendereza. Okay, hope you've got something. Bye bye. Welaba.